Okay guys, chikado. So ipapakita ko lang ang kaibahan ng mint, spearmint, tsaka peppermint. Yung dahon ng bunggang galar. So ito yung spearmint. As you see, yan. At ang amoy nito masyadong mabango. Mabango. It's so menthol. Tapos, ito naman yung peppermint. Ang peppermint, yung dahon niya medyo magaspang. As you see. Ay, nasaan kayo? Nasaan kayo? O, yan. As you see, yan. Medyo magaspang. Yan ha, medyo magaspang. And also this called menthol. No, I mean mint. Ito yung tinatawag na mint na inihahalo sa inumin like mojito or something like that, you know na. And that's all, and I thank you.